What's going on, traders? Wanted to talk about this where a lot of guys do, you guys, and I don't want none of my followers or none of my subs to fall for it, for this hidden size, you guys. I know I did a couple videos a long time ago about what is hidden size, but basically hidden size is when people or traders want to buy trades or in trade stocks and use level 2 and put hidden size so you don't see how much they really buy. But like this guy, like, I want you guys to see that this is all hidden size. Pay attention to the times and sales where it could stand out. You'll see the size getting through, then you'll see somebody trying to prop it up. You'll see like the bigger size coming through, and there's really hidden size back there because every time it pops up, they prop it up, they prop it up, they prop it up. So this is not really 100 shares he wants, you guys. They just keep doing it one at a time, one at a time, one at a time, one at a time. These guys are kind of averaging in. Some people are buying and some people are selling. Even the sellers have a lot of hidden size right now, you guys. So don't fall for this crap, you guys. When just because you see 21000, match up the volume with that and match up times and sales with that, and see if there's actually hidden size. If there's somebody, like, especially when there's a zero there, right? Especially when there's a zero and somebody keeps trying to push it up, he can fail. Like, still, just because there's hidden size doesn't mean they're going to be successful. It can still fail, you guys. I'm not saying that, but I'm saying so you guys can know there are a lot of people on level 2 that use hidden size and actually bluff too. There are a lot of bluffers who put bigger size than they really want and then cancel the orders. So watch that, you guys. You guys see how they keep trying to push it up, bring it back. Every time it touches the support, they keep trying to prop it up. Pay attention to the times and sales, you guys. I know the big size didn't kick in yet, but you remember how I talk about my other levels, pain levels? As soon as I have my alert going off, 392.92, when it makes a new high, I want to see if there's going to be a lot of supply there, or if there's going to be any, like, basically a pain level. Maybe these guys starts covering in the last few minutes. Right now we are in power hour. Market's been a little choppy today, up and down, but so far so good, you guys. These guys are trying to hold it up. Let's see if they're successful or not. We got bigger size in the red right now, so let's pay attention. You guys seen that guy smack the market? Yeah, that's the good thing about YouTube. You can always rewind back and look at that. You could even put it in slow motion, look it over and over. Pay attention, you guys, to the hidden size. Look at, there it goes again. There it goes. Somebody's playing with these guys. So he's probably trying to bring them in, and he's getting it little by little, little by little, little by little, little by little. We're not sure if it's a market maker, somebody trying to hunt stop, like stop hunts, but to me it looks like they're trying to push it above the previous high. They tried a few times already, you guys. So right now we have shorts up here, 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 right? The thing is, I have this little, on the intraday, let's say we have a little like wedge, right? If we get past this wedge right now, we have our next resistance right here at the previous high. So this is going to be a little pain level for these short guys, but there's going to be way more pain. But the whole goal is what these guys are trying to do is to push them up here. If there's a lot of supply in this area where there's going to be a lot of sales, so what you're going to watch the big size in the red if it comes up here. If there's a lot of big size in the red and they're not successful pushing it up, you guys, then we'll know that there's going to be too much supply. They're probably not going to be successful. But if it goes right through, there's the first pain area. You guys see how it just boom? Watch the volume at the same time, you guys. Watch the volume at the same time. So don't fall for this guy. Remember, there's more than 100 shares on this. Trust me. There you go. There you go. Watch the speed in that pain area, you guys. We're looking for stronger volume, though. We need volume to at least get up to here, right? Somewhere past here. It could be a fake out, you guys. Remember, pain works both ways. If it gets below here, if they can't below this area, the longs will be in pain. So this is where level 2 is kind of important and critical. But so far it's very bullish on the level 2. Let's see if they're successful. The problem we have is there's still a lot of sellers up here. Every time we get up here, there's a lot of people trying to sell this down. Watch these guys again. It looks like they're slowing it down a little bit. 391.41 on the ask. See how it just went through that, you guys? We just need right now, we need this to go past 50 so they could get it up to 392. We need the bidders to step it up, basically. It looks like they're going to step it up really soon. There we go, 57, 59. Remember, don't buy the breakout, you guys, as soon as it breaks out. There's going to be a lot of profit takers right here. So let it test. Let it come back and test again. Let's see where it makes new support. Like sometimes I'll get in a feeler trade right here and let it go and test just a tiny position. Just to see, like, to get your feet wet a little bit. But not really like your whole position or your whole trade. Let's see if they try to stop hunt 392. Let's see if there's going to be any pain above 392. There should be a little pain right here above 392, you guys. Watch my video on pain levels. There should be a little pain right there. Oops. Should be a little more pain right there. So if we could get above there, it should spike. Let's see if watch the level 2 if these guys continue to push it up, you guys. We want bigger size actually on the times and sales in the green. We got some. Remember, guys, this is kind of an expensive stock. So 1,000 shares is kind of a lot, you know what I mean? You would see 5,500. That's a lot, you know. It's a $391 stock. These little shares, it's not really important to us. Right now, we just want to see if it tests and gets through this pain level, you guys. See that guy keeps trying to push it up? Look at you guys. We need more green. We want more green. Right now, it's kind of balanced. We want more green right here. We want this thing to be more in demand. There we go. Let's see if they get above the 392 on the bid. They get above 392 on the bid, you guys. Watch if any stop losses go off on here. We want big size stop losses, not little ones. If not, it's going to fail and possibly come back to test 390. We want it to actually get, the whole goal right now is to make a new high. 392.92 is what we want to get past. Because we know that's the ultimate pain level of the day. So right now, the whole goal is to try to make it to 392.92 and try to actually get past 393. If not, because a lot of shorts are using this, you guys, as their risk, right? If I'm the short today, I'm going to be like, you know what, I'm shorting this, and I'm just going to use the previous high as my risk. All these shorts they got in here and here and here are using this as their risk. So as long as this doesn't get above here, they're safe. Once it gets above here, a lot of them will be on the red. A lot of them will start coming in. So we want to see right now like this red, but we want to see it in the green. We really don't want to see in the red. I'm not seeing that much volume come in right now either. Oh shit, let me fix that. See how they keep selling it down, you guys? A lot of supply up there again. Let's see if they're early shorts. Don't be an early short, you guys. Let it settle. Let it settle. Let it prove itself. This can still squeeze, so be careful. This can still squeeze. Remember, you guys, this is hidden size. We're watching for the fake out right here. The whole goal for them, you guys, the longs goal right now is to get it to 393, to get it above this. Shorts goal right now is to break this support and possibly take it down to the next support, probably VWAP. Let's see what happens. To me, it looks like the stock is being squeezed, but it can still fail. We have a little ascending triangle going this way, so there is pressure, there is slow pressure. The stock is being squeezed. As long as it keeps building up, it will pop up. It could pop up in either direction, you guys. See how this trend kind of held? Let's see if other traders recognize this. You guys remember, we're all passive traders, you guys. We're depending on other traders to recognize what we recognize. If that happens, then we should be in the money. If nothing happens, then we're not dynamic traders. We're not going to move the market. So at least I'm not. So a lot of us were passive traders. Here we go. They're trying to keep it above 392, you guys. Watch that squeeze coming. Watch that squeeze above 392.92. If it comes in, watch, you guys. Look at them big sizes on the red, trying to keep it down, you guys. Look at that. The thing with them is that if it gets above here, there's going to be a lot of them there. Let's see what happens. Five minutes looking sexy still. Looks like it's gonna pop, you guys. They're trying to get it to 393 right now. Right now they're trying to break that high. They're trying to break previous's high at 392.92. Here we go. There goes that alert. Just broke, you guys. Let's see if they keep it above there. Now we need the bidders to step it above 393. We need the bidders to step it up. We need bigger size on level 2, you guys. Here we go. That's where the pain is, you guys. That's the money. Next resistance is 400. Not sure if we're going to make it there today. The whole goal is to possibly test it, maybe not even test it, as long as we come back and test this. Already at 394, you guys. Test the 392 and actually hold. We want previous resistance to become new support right here. That's that pain level. Look at the volume, you guys. Look at the line. What did we say? We want volume to crack previous higher volume. Now we have this in our volume. Remember, you guys, the trend is only a friend till the end, right? They tell you guys, look at the big size we were looking for. Did you guys see that? Rewind that, Mark. If you want to see that again, rewind that. Right now, if we get a previous high, a new high, we will get more pain. So if it goes above 394.13, remember, if you guys, there will be more pain there. There we go, new high. Watch the volume, you guys. Watch the volume. Still creating an ascending triangle. We can still get a pop to 400. We can still do it. I told you guys, be careful. Early shorts, be careful. You don't want to short a front side of the move. Let's see where they decide to take this to. Their whole goal, you guys, right now the new goal is probably 395, then 400. Long's goal. Short's goal is to probably take it down from here. Let's see if they test 395 at least. Remember that hidden size I was talking about? Here he goes again, you guys. It's probably the same guys trying to pop it up. They know. Like I said earlier, my friend sent me on Facebook of how many shorts were in this, the short interest. It's humongous, you know. So we're going to have a lot of pain there if they decide to cover, you guys. If they decide. If they decide to add, we're fucked. But the whole goal right now is to make new supports. Let's see where it makes it at. We have time, you guys. Let's see what happens. Market's been bouncing up all day today. We're going to extend this to the right just to see if that holds. There's that guy, you guys, again. Let's see if they take it up. 394 is the goal right now. 82. There goes the green. We need bigger size, bigger size. That wasn't enough, you guys. There's still supply right there. There's still supply. Hidden size on both sides. Watch hidden size on both sides. If there's big size right here, there's going to be hidden size right here. Be careful with this, you guys. 394 is still on the ask. 394 is still on the ask. We got to get past that. We got a little wall of sellers. Here we go. We got a little past it. Next goal, you guys. Next goal right now is 395. Really, we gotta get past this 394.80. We'll see if they do it today. See that times and sales? It's weak right now, you guys. Weak on both sides. Tiny size. Tiny size. A lot of traders are watching right now if it creates new support. We could even draw a skinnier channel like some traders, but I don't like to play those channels, you guys. I like to let it breathe. But some traders even do this just to see what you think, of other traders. They could be a little hidden channel here. So that's even possible. So we're gonna watch this, or it could even go down all the way back down and test our support right here. You know what I mean? This could be a channel in here too, you guys. So you want to be careful with all the moves. Everybody has a different agenda, so be careful. Like right now, it's showing like weakness, but it kind of showed me bullishness that it did crack this at least, and there is pain, and there is still some pain there. So right now, I'm looking for a bear trap on this. Let's see if shorts again. These shorts that came right now in here. Let's see if they get squeezed out. Watch the volume. Here's a little big size, and we're gonna watch level 2 again. See if that guy comes back in to push it above 393. You guys, if there's the whole goal right now is back above this 9 EMA and back above this. Let's see if they accomplish that or not, you guys, or if they take it back to support. But for a quick day trade, you guys, you could have been in and out really fast on this one, just by recognizing pain levels or recognizing the squeeze. And watching the fakers right here, you guys. The first little skinny trend, you guys, like that some people use, failed right now, so that's why you probably see some stop losses go off right there. There we go. They're gonna try to dump it. They gotta try to dump it back to support, you guys. But the way I look at it, you guys, sometimes is it's like my turn, your turn, my turn, your turn, my turn, your turn, my turn, your turn. It sounds like kindergarten, but that's how it is sometimes in the market. Short, long turn, then short turn, a long turn, then short turn. Sometimes you gotta fall back, let them take it to wherever they want to take it to, and then once your turn comes, if your alert goes off and you have a plan for it, then you take it. Now let's see if this little trend line holds, you guys. Do you see the volume from the red from the selling pressure, you guys? Our volume is still in control, right? So let's see if the buyers recognize this trend line. You always want to be more of in a reactive mode than in a predictive mode, you guys. I'm getting a lot of phone calls today, you guys. I dropped off my car at the shop. My convertible thing is messing up, so I want to go see what's up with that, and I think they're calling me, but I'm gonna call them back. Kinda, we don't like long videos, you guys, but it's good to watch and learn. You guys see that big size right here? There's people trying to smack the market, trying to keep it above, right? So that's why you always want to also pay attention to the times and sales. Look at that 1,000 share in the red. The whole goal right now is to get it back above here, you guys. Let's see if they come in, and we need volume to do the same thing. If not, they can take it back down to support. It's not good to short on a green day or like basically the front side of the move, right? Like this, like the back side, it might be okay. Do your own due diligence, you guys. Always. Never follow anybody's trades, but it's never good to short on the front side of the move, you guys. A lot of traders get squeezed early, you guys. So patience, have patience, you guys. Even if you miss it, it's okay. There's a bunch of trades. There's a lot of supply looking right here, you guys. We got new shorts right here, but not that many, you guys. A lot of them are still scared. Let's see if this little trend holds. I know there's a lot of lines, you guys, but you want to see patterns within patterns. The main thing is our key pattern, you guys. That's the main thing. Now you're gonna see shorts trying to take this thing right here, you guys. Because if they know there's gonna be a lot of pain in here, you guys. There's gonna be a lot of pain. So we'll see if the buyers continue to hold it up, if they try to hold it up, or if they let it fail, let these short sellers take it down. It looks like these guys on level 2, remember the guys were hitting size, they're still trying to prop it up, you guys. But the problem we have is we still have smaller size right here. If we can get it back above this right now, that's the first goal, and this will be the second goal, and this will be like the third goal right here. Right, that'll be like the third goal right there. So we needed to follow our thing, but it's not gonna listen to us. It's gonna do what it's gonna do, right? So let's see what happens. The bidders have to take it above 393 and 394 and actually hold it above there. So far, it looks like they're trying to make 392 new support. We got a little fake out right here. Maybe some short sellers came back in, and then when it tested here, maybe we might have some more shorts underwater, so be careful with that, you guys. If we get below here, we'll have longs underwater, so we don't want red volume. If it gets below here, we're going to have red volume, and it's going to go back down again if there's no more buyers to hold it. But so far, the level 2, these guys are still trying to prop it up. They're still trying to prop it up. I don't know whoever's there, but somebody's there trying to prop it up. So be careful, you guys. Be careful with that. The 392 support, like if we were long right now, if you're long or if I'm long right now, if the plan is, if my 392 breaks, if I'm day trading this, then I can say, you know what, this can have some pain levels under 392. So we want to watch the pain levels, you guys, especially below this little like single trend line we have for the day. Some traders, you guys, like we'll see like the bigger channel, right? Or some of them call it a hidden channel. I don't see a hidden channel yet, but it's possible to have a hidden channel right there. So right now, we're gonna check on the market. We're gonna see what's happening with the market, and the market's up on the day, you guys. So 3 out of 4 stocks follow the market. It looks like there's gonna be maybe a little sell-off, maybe into the close. Tesla's back up on the day, you guys. I put a question on Facebook yesterday about Tesla. A lot of people reacted. Will Tesla hold the 50? It was a fake out, but it kind of got above there today with the rest of the market, you guys. Yeah, let's get back to Zoom. Let's see if they take it back above our area, you guys. This whole goal, you guys, is to get above this little congested area. There's going to be a lot of supply, a lot of fighting right here. Whole goal, we'll see tomorrow. If it can't happen today, we'll see tomorrow. If they get it below back here and go back down again, if this was a trap, or if we get a gap up tomorrow, there might be a lot of people just start smacking that button. Might be a lot of people that might be in pain. So we'll see what the market does, you guys. Remember, you guys, I'm going to get off this thing, you guys. I'm going to go get to these phone calls, you guys. Remember, you guys, watch the hidden sellers. Watch my video about pain level, you guys. All traders must know that. Okay, and remember the motto. Smack the like button, you guys. Subscribe to that channel. Hit that bell. And plan the trade. Trade the plan. Peace out.